We got ourselves a Crackhead 4-wheel. So I got my good friend, there's Spedtard Nathan. He's gonna wrap this bitch around a tree. Oh shit!
BDP your day.
If you want to see something really tweakified, it has a park, but when you put it in gear, no park.
It's a lot different than 250.
Yeah,
oh, this I broke that.
What the fuck? You broke my screen, you cocksucker. Okay, don't do that. You alright?
My side still hurt from that stupid jump. I'm so done for that one. Ah, a little too hot. Oh, we haven't resumed more, yeah. Alright, maybe 10 low. Got this front side. Easy on the floor. Oh, why is it so wet now?
Crazy to fuck with. Oh, that's bad.
Shonda. You better cut that out, BC. Ah! Ah! My neck! Ah! My neck! Don't have tires. I should have more than a Honda. That still down.
Try and get some content, just keeps flying off.
Oh, she died in the mud. That's nice. Hey, Mr. Furry. It's not that deep. Ball tires.
Bro, you fucking got a flat tire, well. Bro, what the fuck did you hit? Holy shit! You fucking fat ass. You tore it up, you fucking disappeared. You disappeared for fucking 10-15 minutes and you come back, it's running like shit and has a big ass flat.
What's the GoPro footage?
What in the fuck? You destroyed. I won't destroy it that much.
We got tires.
Bullshit. Man, this thing's just been through it. It still starts somehow. Damn, you got a fat ass head.
So what do you think about it?
What the fuck did you do to that?
I drove it like you said.
Nathan, we got a problem.
What's up?
We got a tree in the way.
A tree?
Yeah. There's only one way to get through this tree.
Send it.
We fucking send it. Oh, fuck. We gotta stop problem and hit a big ass tree.
Full send it.
We got a wonderful four-wheel here. Her name is Shonda. It's a Suzuki that's wanting to be a Honda. You know, I was actually kind of scared it might go over the hill. Bro, what the fuck? Oh shit. You alright?
I promise.
You alright?
I promise. Just record us.
No!
Ah!
What the fuck? Damn. Will you love me forever and ever? Oh, you bent it. You defeated it. You beat it off. Oh shit! You alright?
Oh, that's good.
Oh shit!
What do you think about this?
I don't even know what to talk about here.
What do you think about this Ford?
I don't know, it's cracking for me. It's a Suzuki want to be a Honda, and so far it's been proven that. It's been sped-tarded, tweakified, fat ass hole, carpet as a seat. It's alright.
How much did you pay for this thing?
I got for free.
Just for free?
Yeah.
Premium Ford for free.
Yeah, it's a good Ford.
It needs the tar, probably a petard.
Besides the transmission, the parking brake, the overly sized big tires on the front, no axle, Honda stickers on a Suzuki, carpet as a seat,
Petard, carb.
spray painted shit. Ow.
Busy free?
What?
Goodbye.